Welcome back, XCAR enthusiasts, to another deep dive into the automotive future. Today, we're cutting through the noise and focusing our lens on a vehicle that's been generating serious buzz, the 2025 Cayenne. And let me tell you, its exterior design alone is a masterclass in modern automotive artistry. Forget everything else, because for the next few minutes, our eyes are glued to the stunning sheet metal, the sculpted lines, and the undeniable presence of this groundbreaking machine. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the letters on the grille. For those new to the game, the Cayenne you're seeing isn't a new brand entirely. It's the striking, reimagined logo of Kia, a company with a rich history of pushing boundaries, dating all the way back to 1944 when they started as a manufacturer of bicycle parts. Their recent rebranding, marked by this bold, connected, Cayenne emblem, signifies a monumental shift towards a more futuristic and innovative design philosophy. This new logo itself is a piece of art, showcasing symmetry, rhythm, and a rising motion that perfectly encapsulates their vision for the future. Let's start with the front fascia of the 2025 Cayenne. It's an aggressive yet elegant statement. The signature, tiger nose, grille, a Kia staple, has evolved into something truly captivating. It's wider, lower, and seamlessly integrated with the surrounding elements, creating a unified, powerful stance. The star map LED signature lighting, both front and rear, is a showstopper. These intricate, almost celestial light clusters aren't just for illumination. They're a defining characteristic, providing a distinct and premium look that's instantly recognizable day or night. The LED cube projector headlights are another highlight, not only offering exceptional visibility but also adding a technical, high-tech flair to the overall design. They're sharp, precise, and contribute significantly to the Cayenne's futuristic aura. Moving along the sides, the 2025 Cayenne boasts a dynamic fastback-inspired silhouette. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about aerodynamics and performance. The sweeping roofline, reminiscent of a Grand Tourer, not only looks incredibly sporty but also aids in reducing drag, enhancing the vehicle's efficiency and high-speed stability. Character lines flow effortlessly from the hood to the rear, giving the car a sense of continuous motion even when stationary. The wheel designs are equally impressive, with options including bold black 18-inch alloy wheels. They perfectly complement the car's athletic proportions, giving it a planted and aggressive stance. The attention to detail is evident in every curve and contour, from the sculpted door panels to the subtly flared wheel arches. Everything works in harmony to create a cohesive and visually striking profile. The rear of the 2025 Cayenne is just as compelling as the front. The full-width taillamp, incorporating the same mesmerizing star map lighting technology, visually amplifies the vehicle's width and reinforces its modern, high-tech identity. The wing-shaped bumper design, mirroring the front, creates a sense of unity and dynamism, further emphasizing the car's performance-oriented nature. Dual exhaust tips, on certain performance trims, hint at the power lurking beneath the sculpted rear bumper. Even if we're not discussing the engines today, they speak volumes about the vehicle's capabilities. The integration of a discrete shark fin antenna adds to the sleek, uncluttered roofline, a small detail that contributes to the overall premium feel. From a performance design perspective, the 2025 Cayenne's exterior is engineered to impress. The aerodynamic sculpting isn't just for show, it contributes to better fuel efficiency and reduced wind noise at higher speeds. The wide-track sport-tuned suspension, evident in the vehicle's low and broad stance, suggests excellent handling and a confident road presence. The overall construction speaks to a commitment to lightweight materials and rigid chassis design, which are crucial for dynamic driving characteristics. While we can't delve into horsepower figures, the exterior design unmistakably conveys a sense of power and agility. It's a vehicle that looks ready to pounce. In terms of exterior technology, beyond the stunning LED lighting, we see subtle yet significant advancements. Solar control glass contributes to occupant comfort by reducing heat buildup, while available features like Power One Touch safety sunroofs enhance the driving experience. The meticulous fit and finish of all exterior panels speak to advanced manufacturing techniques, ensuring precision and quality that stands out. The 2025 Cayenne's exterior is more than just a collection of design elements. It's a statement. It represents Kia's unwavering commitment to innovation, to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in automotive design. It's a bold, confident, and undeniably beautiful machine that demands attention. From its historical lineage to its futuristic execution, the 2025 Cayenne's exterior design is a triumph. And it's clear that Kia, or rather KN, is inspiring movement. Outro music with a final flourish of synth and the XCAR logo fading out.